Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can record the screen on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do so, first we need to open the quick access, so let's swipe from the top to the bottom twice. And then somewhere over here you should be able to find the screen recorder button. If the screen recorder button is missing, tap on the display icon in the top right corner, and then edit the full quick access menu. Over here you will find available buttons, and if the screen recorder button is missing, then you should be able to find it over here. So you can press it, and then it should be immediately added to the quick access. Press done, go back and reopen the quick access. Now over here, press the screen recorder button. Now you can select if you want to use sound, if you want to use media or media and mic, or no sound at all. And you can also enable and disable taps and touches. And then press start recording. You'll see the countdown. You can also skip the countdown by pressing this button, and you will have this menu in the top right corner. Now whatever you do, it is recording. You can pause, you can stop the recording, you can also enable the front camera, and you can also draw anything you want by pressing on this pen. You can also hide it, the whole panel, and then if you swipe it from the corner or the side towards the other side, then of course you'll reopen it. Once you are done with the recording, press this square button, which is of course for stopping, and then we will see recording saved. If you open the notifications, you will find the notification that is called video saved, and you can tap on the notification in order to start playing the recorded video, And let's say we're gonna use the video player for this. And there we go, we are now watching the recorded video. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!